afternoon, beautiful moms! Welcome to our very first Hip Mommy Meetup.
He is renowned as the man who brought organic milk in the Philippines. Please join me in giving a very warm welcome to Mr. Edwin Feist.
Hip doesn't have added sugar, so it doesn't need a big scoop. The implication of that is you get more formula per box. If you have a healthy gut, it will take care of the brain, it will take care of the immune system, and it will take care of absorption. Let's rally people to think more organic nutrition.
Hi Mars, this is your Mars Pauline, and dumaan na din ba sa newsfeed nyo yung commercial ng Hip Organic kanina? I was invited to be part of that first batch of moms who would attend their first ever Hip Mommy Meetup. Akala ko simpleng mom event lang, konting chikahan, konting pa-milk sample, but girl, hindi pala. Unang activity pa lang, tiniga na agad ang creative juice namin, Mars. We had to design our own pouch with crafty patuti. Ang cute ng concept pero ang pressure, oh my god, totoong totoo. Next stop, getting to know more about Hip and their eco-friendly packaging. Alam nyo ba, hindi sila gumagamit ng usual na tin cans. Instead, naka-carton boxes sila. Kaya binigyan kami ng reusable container na pwede naming gamitin sa bahay. Sustainable na, space-saving pa. Love it! Next activity yung favorite ko, the milk taste test. So there were two pictures, one is Hip, the other is another brand. And ang challenge daw, hulaan alin ang Hip. And Mars, to my surprise, madali lang hulaan kasi Hip tastes clean and mild. No sugar substitutes, no weird aftertaste, and that's because it's made with natural lactose, certified organic yung ingredients niya, and no maltodextrin. Walang pesticide or antibiotic residues, kaya naman, cheers to that! After nun, kinuha ko muna yung pouch ko, nag-self-care sandali, pero hindi pa kami tapos. Next stop, UV Care booth, one of the event sponsor, and super excited ako kasi we actually use UV Care air purifiers at home, especially dahil halos lahat sa amin ay may asthma. Pahinga sandali, and then eto na, Stacking Cups Challenge. So, ang saya-saya nitong activity na to, pero Mars, nakakakaba din talaga. Naging competitive bigla kaming dalawa ni Mars Rachel nang wala sa oras. So, lahat kami, pawis na pawis at tili ng tili sa pagsastack ng mga cups, para ba siyang championship game ng mga nanay. Pero behind the game, alam nyo ba, may importanteng lesson. Each cup we stack represented how many cups of milk you can make from one box. At doon talaga lumabas yung sulit factor ng Hip Organic. Compared sa ibang brands, halos doble yung kaya mong magawa na servings. Ibig sabihin, less gastos, more glass of goodness para sa mga anak natin. And because walang halo like maltodextrin or additives, you're not just getting more, you're getting better. Hindi sayang yung bawat scoop dahil every cup is packed with clean, organic nutrition. Kaya ayan, tingnan nyo gaano kadami yung cups from Hip Organic compared sa other brands. Ang galing, di ba? At dahil nga napagod kami ng todo-todo sa game na to, tadan! Meron kaming pa souvenir from Ate Ganda. Diba? Thank you so much, Ate! Final activity, pabilisan at patalinuhan sa Q&A about gut health. Grabe, sobrang eye-opener. I learned that gut health is your child's health command center. Hindi lang digestion ang role nito. A healthy gut supports stronger immunity, better digestion, nutrient absorption, mood, and even brain development. It also reduces risk of allergies, autoimmune diseases, pati na rin yung obesity and diabetes. So yes, yan ang mga pinagawa sa amin sa Mommy Meetup na to, at nakakainis kasi hindi ko talaga in-expect na magiging sobrang saya at sobrang dami kong matututunan. Hindi lang ito commercial, hindi lang ito photo op. It was an experience. Thank you so much, Hip Organic!